Okay.
And Qiyamah, about the Day of Judgment, and the life after death, and about the oneness of Allah. Yeah. And the Prophet ﷺ asked, and he used to recite the Suratul Ala, the surah before it, and Suratul Ghashiyah, this surah, in Eid prayer and Friday prayer.
Okay.
Why? Because it has a very good topic. So it is a kind of advice to the people so that they can correct their life. So it carries a very important topic. That's why it is read in Friday prayer, so that people can correct their belief. They should think about Jannah and Jahannam. Yeah. So that's why this surah starts like hal means what? Okay, ataka means reached, hadith means news, Ghashiyah. Ghashiyah, it is the name of the Qiyamah. Ghashiyah means the things which cover. The terror of the Qiyamah will cover all the people, like the blanket covers all the body, like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Because it overwhelmed the people and overcome them.
Okay.
So this surah starts with the word Qiyamah, like Ghashiyah. Means it's the quality of the Day of Judgment, but everyone, okay, under the terror of the Qiyamah.
Okay.
Then second is wujuh. See here, wujuh. Wujuh means, okay, it is the plural of wajh. Wajh means face.
Yes. Okay.
Yawma idin means on that day.
On that day.
Yeah. Khashi'a means khushu, from khushu, on humiliation, humbleness. Like we say in prayer, okay, khushu khuzu. Okay, read the namaz, read the salah with khushu khuzu.
Okay.
Like khashi'a. That means some faces on that day will be humiliated. Yeah. Means they will be humble, but this action will be of no benefit to them. Because of, what we say, sins, because of shame, because of shy, they are humiliated. The face means the person, because face is the representation of the person. So that's why we say, okay, cover your face, okay, as a hijab. So some scholars, those have a strong opinion, so they say cover your full body with your face, because face is the representation of your body or your personality. Yeah. So that's why we don't have in hadith and in other books that how is the face of Aisha radiallahu ta'ala, how was the face of Fatima radiallahu ta'ala, because no one saw them.
Okay.
Yeah, so scholars say, okay, the covering of the face is compulsory. When you see a person, okay, you don't say when you see her, hand, okay, I saw her. When you see her feet, you don't say I saw her. When you see her eyes, no. When you see her face, then you say, oh, I saw her. Whether you see the whole body or not. And the people, they love the person by looking, love the girl or the woman by looking at their face, not their hands, not their feet, not their face. So that's why it is compulsory to cover the hijab. Some scholars give, some benefit of doubt that you can, leave it. Okay, so who are the so here wujuh means the persons, okay, who are humiliated. Who are they? Amilatul nasiba. Another quality of them is amila means amil, amal deed, yeah, work, action.
Okay.
Yeah. Nasiba means nasib. we read in Suratul Alam Nashrah. Yes. فَإِذَا فَرَغْتَ فَانْصَبْ. From fansab. Nasib means hard. Try hard. Struggle, strive. They are called nasib. Nasiba. Amilatun nasiba. Means they are laboring, means they did many deeds and became tired of performance. Okay, it's coming next in the next. Okay, I will tell you the means tired, struggling a lot. Okay, here we have 2-3 definitions. Amilatun nasiba. The first definition is the Umar radiallahu ta'ala, once he was walking in some place, so he passed by a monastery, and then he saw a monk. Then he called the people to bring him in front of him. Then the monk came. So the monk came out. Then Umar radiallahu ta'ala looked at him. He was very thin, pale, means monk, they perform so many rituals and they engage themselves in worshipping the gods, and they don't eat much, they don't concentrate on drink and other desires and other necessities. So that's why they became very thin and slim.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. But Umar radiallahu ta'ala, when he saw him in this condition, he began to weep. The companions said, "Why are you weeping?" Then he said, I remember the statement of Allah, the mighty and majestic, in his book. Allah said, Amilatun nasiba. Okay, this is one meaning. It's like Hindus, the Christians, the other religious people. Okay, they work hard, they get tired, but it will not give them any benefit here in this world as well as in the hereafter, on the day of judgment. Their tiredness, their struggle fail. Second thing is, some people they're tired and struggle in a lot in their business and in their job, like in Dubai, like in Oman, Muscat. They spend 25 years, 30 years, 40 years. Okay, but no benefit on the day of judgment. No benefit even in this world. At the time of the death, they will at the time of the old age, they will realize that whatever they did, it is just a fake labor, mirage.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So what and. Some people, they do the religious activities and they get tired, too much religious activities, but that is wrong. Like celebrating the Prophet's birthday. Okay, they spend a lot of money and they spend day and night in arrangement arrangement of flag and animals and gatherings and so many things, but they will not get any reward or any benefit upon this struggle.
Okay.
Got it? So these are the 3 categories of the people. So they will appear on the day of judgment, same like this, like they appear here at present in this world.
Okay.
So tasla naran hamia. Tasla means they will enter. Nar means hellfire. The fire of the hell. Hamia means very, very intense heat, fire.
Okay.
Yeah. So they will enter into the fire. Hot, intense fire. Who? These people. Wujuhun yawma idhin khashi'a, amilatun nasiba, tasla naran hamia. Then what is in the hell fire? Another kind of punishment. Okay. One is same like the hot with intense fire, And the another one is Tusqa min aynin aniya. Okay. Tusqa means,
Okay.
yeah. So, ayn means spring. Okay.
Okay.
Aniya means boiling. So they will be given to drink from a boiling spring.
Okay.
Yeah. The boiling spring of the Jahannam, not this world.
Okay.
So the fire of the Jahannam is 70 degrees more than this world fire. Okay. So just imagine how much boiling water, and imagine if we drink the boiling water or hot water in this world, what will happen to our stomach, our intestine, our throat, our digestive tract. So same thing will happen on the day of judgment. When they drink, all the intestine will come out from their rectum.
Okay.
But again they will get another life, so they will not die.
Okay.
The body will alive. Because they shout, "Oh, give us pani! We are thirsty! We are thirsty!" They shout out for thousands of years. Then they will be given this kind of water.
Okay.
So, and some people say this water, and some people in Quran Allah mentioned in another place ghislin, ghislin, dari, zakum, and sadid. Okay, these are the different kinds of fluids in the Jahannam, like pus of the blood, pus of other inmates of the hellfire.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then what about the food? They also shout out for food. We are hungry, we are hungry, we are hungry. So Allah will give them the food. لَيْسَ لَهُمْ طَعَامٌ إِلَّا مِنْ ضَرِيعٍ. لَيْسَ لَهُمْ طَعَامٌ. طَعَام means food. Okay, إِلَّا مِنْ ضَرِيعٍ. لَيْسَ means not. Okay, lahum means for them. Ta'am means food. Okay, so no food will there be for them, but what we say, the food of dari means, the food of one kind of food like thorny, bushes or plants, like aloe vera.
Okay. Like cactus.
Yeah, cactus, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
They have to eat from that palm plant.
Yeah. So the thorns will stuck into their, the gums and into their cheeks and into their throat. Yeah, so very bad. Okay, and what about, okay, we eat the food to destroy our hunger, to become fat or to get some energy. But Allah said here, La yusminu wala yughni min ju'. Ju' means hunger. Okay, yusmin means summon, fat. Okay, so Allah said, which will neither nourish nor avail against hunger. So that means it will not give any benefit to them. It will not remove their hunger. And it will not make them energetic or produce any kind of energy, nourishment. These are the
satisfaction. No satisfaction.
Yeah, no satisfaction. So these are the description of people of Jahannam who worked hard in this world, but not to please Allah. They didn't tire their body in worshipping Allah for worldly causes or for wrong beliefs. Okay. So these are. So another segment, opposition. Wujuhun yawma'idin na'ima. Wujuh means again face. Yawma'id means on that day. Na'ima. Ne'mat.
Means happiness.
Happiness, yes. Faces that day means on the day of judgment. Na'im. Yeah. Joyful.
Joyful.
Pleasure. So you can notice the pleasure on their faces, because those who are happy from inside their heart and inside their body, okay, it appears on their face. The happiness appears on their face. That means they are very, very happy. So you can look at their face and you can say, oh, they are the happy people.
Okay.
So again, لِسَعْيِهَا رَاضِيَةٌ. Next is لِسَعْيِهَا رَاضِيَةٌ. Means they will be pleased with their deeds. Okay. Because whatever they did, they strive in this world. Okay, they are happy. Okay, they don't have any rumors, any regretfulness, any sadness. Because these people will have sadness. Okay, what they did in the world. Okay, they did a lot struggle, but they see no result. But here they are happy because they see the result.
Okay.
Opposite of عاملة ناصبة لسعيها راضية.
Okay.
The next is في جنة عالية. Jannah means paradise.
Oh, paradise.
Yeah, عالية means elevated. High. Yeah, high. Ali. Okay. That means they are in
height.
lofty paradise. That means on a
Okay.
Means the dwellings, okay, like on mountain or the cliff, they look beautiful. So same thing, the Jannah is okay on the ground. Okay, that is also a kind of, but they will get that kind of Jannah. That Jannah is on top, elevated from the ground. And one more thing is important thing is لا تسمع فيها لاغية. Okay, تسمع means سمع. فيها in it, لاغية means lahu. Lahu means waste, useless talk. So
lahu means
useless talk, boring talk. So where they shall neither hear harmful speech nor falsehood, means they will not hear in the paradise any foolish word.
Okay.
Yeah. Because in this world, okay, we have some friends, some family members, they talk unnecessarily, it gives us a headache.
Yeah.
So you will not hear that kind of talk from other people of the paradise in Jannah.
Okay, because they're surrounded with all good people.
Yeah.
Okay.
لا تسمع فيها لاغية. Okay, another quality of the Jannah. Fiha and other meaning also, we should be like them. Okay, we don't talk useless talk. Okay, which don't have any meaning, any benefit, which don't give any benefit, any meaning. Okay, so we should not talk like that.
Okay.
Fiha aynun jariyah. Again, ayn. Okay, fiha means in it. Aynun means again the spring. Jariyah means flowing, running.
Okay.
Yeah, so there will be a running spring in the Jannah, flowing freely. Yeah, but this spring is not the hot boiling spring. Yeah, it's a spring of Jannah, Ni'mah. Like we have so many springs in Jannah: water, wine, leaven, milk, honey.
Okay.
Okay. Opposite, they will be given the hot spring water, the hot boiling water, and here they have very, tasty and milky water.
Okay.
And tasty water. So fiha sururum marfu. Again in it, surur means bed, couch. Okay. Marfu'a means raised. So therein will be thrones raised high, like kings, like the throne of the king. The throne of the king you don't find at the level of the ground.
Okay.
It's on the high.
For people, like for people to sit on. Is it the throne for people, or is it the throne of angels and the
Throne of these Jannah people.
Jannah people? Okay.
Yeah. They are king.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that's why they have throne. The throne is on high position, raised.
Okay.
Yeah. So sometimes if they wishes to sit on the throne, okay, they sit on the lofty throne. And if they want to sit on the ground, the throne will come down automatically to the ground as per their command.
Okay. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, got it.
Then وَأَكْوَابٌ مَوْضُوعَةٌ. Okay, akwab means cups without handle.
Okay.
Mawdu'a means arranged beautifully. Okay, and cups set at hand.
Okay.
Means, okay, if you make, for example, if you make a biryani, okay, very tasty, delicious biryani. But if you serve it in like steel plates or like, sand plate, what we say, dust plate like that, it will not give you a good taste.
Yeah.
If you serve it in the glass plate with beautiful cutting of salads in different shapes, it will increase your hungerness, and you eat more and you eat with love, with feeling of joy. So same thing in here. Jannah wa akwabum mawdu'a. So the cups are cups, but it will be arranged in a very good fashion.
Mashallah.
So we should do the same at our home.
Yeah.
وَنَمَارِخُ مَصْفُوفَةٌ. Next is وَنَمَارِخُ مَصْفُوفَةٌ. Namarikh means pillows.
Okay.
Yeah, masfufa from saf means row. So the namarikh will set in rows, means the pillows. Okay. Not one pillow is on the bed, one pillow is at the ground, one pillow is in the sofa. No, it will be arranged in a beautiful manner.
Okay.
So we have to arrange the house like this, like Jannah.
Okay.
وَزَرَابِيُّ مَبْثُوثَةٌ. Okay, again, zarab means what we say, carpets.
Carpets. Okay.
Yeah. So in Jannah, carpets are spread.
Okay.
And one Jannah is 10 times bigger than this world.
Okay.
Even we don't have the money to cover all our house area with carpets.
Oh, okay.
So just imagine one village, one city, one state, one country, and one world, and 10 times bigger than this world.
Yes.
So that's why we have to strive and struggle to please Allah on Islam, on being a Muslim. Okay, it will give you this Jannah.
Sure.
Okay, so only the atheist people, they deny Jannah. Otherwise, you will find the Jannah description in all the religious books of all religion.
Yeah.
And even you see in our daily day-to-day business, okay, in our government, the government gives rewards those who do good performance, and the government give punishment to the criminals.
Yes.
But the atheists, they deny it. So for them, Allah changed the topic here. Then Allah said here, أَفَلَا يَنْظُرُونَ إِلَى الْإِبِلِ كَيْفَ خُلِقَتْ. If you don't believe in Jannah, then look at the things around you. Yanzurun, look. Ibil means owned, camel.
Camel.
Yeah, khuliqat means created. Kaifa means how. Kaifa khuliqat, how created. How he created. Yeah, so Allah said, do they not look at the camels, how they are created? Because the Quran revealed to the Arab people. So Arab people are surrounded by these things. When they wake up, they see the first thing, camel in front of them. Right? So camel is, and also Allah said so many things in the camel. Okay, Allah created the camel. If you see the feet of the camel, okay, it is flat. So when it walks on the sand, okay, it spread out on the sand. So the camel doesn't lose its balance and very easy to walk in the desert. So who designed this kind of feet? No one knows about which animal has to put in the desert. So someone is created.
Yes.
Beautifully designed as per the requirement.
Yes.
For example, when you construct the office, okay, you design this place is for reception, this is for employees, this is for boss, this is for meeting. Okay, you plan it. So how the atheist is that the world formed automatically or made automatically? No, someone created, someone designed which animal is best for which region.
Yes. Yeah.
And second thing is, camel stores 7 days of water in its stomach.
Yes.
So it doesn't means in desert it's very difficult to find out the water. But the camel can walk without water at least 7 days.
Yes.
And even the camel has the capability to sense the water. Okay, water doesn't have any odor, any color.
Wow.
But the camel has the ability. Okay, it can sense the water from many kilometers.
Actually, the problem is they are blind. If you tell them these things, they don't take it. They'll be like, oh, it is just natural or something. So it's just no use trying to explain to atheists.
Nature means Allah. Okay, nature means some energy, some power. That power is Allah.
Yes.
And even Allah made the camel's neck very long so that he can eat the the leaves of the tall trees, which we find in the desert area.
Yes.
So many benefits in the camel. Then Allah point out the next. وَإِلَى السَّمَاءِ كَيْفَ رُفِعَتْ. Sama means sky.
Sky.
Yeah. So when they come out of their tent, their home, okay, the first thing the Arab says, the desert people, they see when they wake up, the sky.
Okay.
So Allah said that's why. Okay. وَإِلَى السَّمَاءِ كَيْفَ رُفِعَتْ.
Okay.
Have they not looked at the heaven above them?
Okay.
So how he raised the sky, its ceiling not falling on them without any pillar, and this much of big, it's not falling down.
Yes.
Then Allah said, وَإِلَى الْجِبَالِ كَيْفَ نُصِبَتْ. Jibal means mountain.
Okay.
Nusib means erection, from fixing.
Okay.
Yeah. Then Allah said, okay, look at the mountain, because they have mountain around them. So look at the mountains, how they are rooted, how they are erected, who fixed them.
Yes.
Then Allah said, okay, look down at your feet. وَإِلَى الْأَرْضِ كَيْفَ سُطِحَتْ. Earth means earth. Sutiha means spread. Yeah. Okay. Then Allah said, okay, challenge, and at the earth, how it is outspread.
Okay.
Okay, mountains are like nails. And so these are the signs of Allah through which you can identify that there is one creator. Okay, who created with a plan all these things. After that, if they don't listen you, like you said, if they don't accept your challenges, and if they don't accept your talk, Allah's signs, then Allah said to the Prophet, because the same thing happened at the time of the Prophet also. So Allah said, then don't worry, you are fadhakkir, you are just a reminder. Okay, with fadhakkir means you are just a your work, your duty is just to remind them.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have to do the same thing. Okay, if they don't accept, just remind. Our duty is done.
Okay.
Innama anta mudhakkir. So you are only one who reminds. Or mudhakkir means the one who reminds.
Okay.
Lasta alayhim bimusaitir. Here, very important thing.
Mm.
You are not a dictator
Okay.
over them. Means you cannot force them to accept Islam, to accept Allah.
But if there is someone younger to us, like if I have to tell the kids and all that, you can't force them to pray, to accept Allah.
No, we are talking about the non-Muslims outside our house. Okay, that is another story. Inside our house, we will take in another lesson. But we are talking in general with dealing with general people.
Okay.
In our community.
Okay.
Outside our home. They are not under our what we say.
Control.
Yeah, under not our authority or not under our control. If you take the kids, okay, then we have to give them the punishment if they don't pray at the age of 7 years. But when they become grown up, like mature, baligh, after 15 years, then we have to separate them if they don't listen.
Okay. Okay.
So that means you cannot create, means it is Allah is saying to the Prophet, that means you cannot create the faith, iman in their hearts. So, yeah, so you cannot force them to have faith.
Okay.
So your duty is just to remind them, because you are only the reminder. You are not a dictator over them. You cannot force them to pray, okay, to keep fasting, do the other things. Okay. Okay. What will happen to them, those who deny? Illa man tawalla wa kafar. Yeah.
Disbeliever, kafar.
Kafar, disbelievers. Tawalla means turn back. Yeah. So Allah said, okay, illa means except the one who turns away and disbelieves. Okay. What will happen to them? Illa means the rejectors. Okay. So, it is Allah is saying to the Prophet that those who are rejected, they should not think that they are set free. Okay, like they will be set free in the hereafter, like in this world.
Okay.
Then Allah warned them, فَيُعَذِّبُهُ اللَّهُ الْعَذَابَ الْأَكْبَرَ, and satisfaction to the Prophet. Okay, then Allah will punish him with the greatest punishment. Adhab means punishment. Akbar means great.
Great.
Yeah. After denying all these things, okay, they should not think that they are set free, they are free, they can do whatever they want, like, in the hereafter, like they do in this world. No, they will have a very huge punishment, big punishment on the day of judgment.
Okay.
Inna ilayna iyabahum. Then Allah said, Inna ilayna iyabahum. Means, in fact, to us will be their return. Okay, where they will go? They will return to us after the death. Yeah, Allah will again reborn them, resurrect them. So they cannot escape. That means. Okay. Then ثم إن علينا حسابهم. Then verily for us will be their reckoning. Means if they did good deeds, okay, they will receive good, and if they did evil, they will receive evil. Okay. So it's the responsibility of Allah. It's not the preacher's responsibility to punish them or to give them the reward. Okay, then Allah will take care of them. Your duty is just to pass the message. Okay. Yeah. So these are here all the things of the people of Jahannam, people of Jannah, the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and the Day of Judgment. All the things described in one surah.
MashaAllah, it's a very beautiful surah.
Reward and punishment. So that's why we should focus on preaching the Islam, peacefully, beautifully, without arrogance and without humiliating the human, insulting them, okay, forcing them. Okay. So any question? Okay.